The secret to improving memory more than 80%, regenerating bones and restoring vision revealed. For the one who really wish to lose weight any time of the year would be a good time to start this process. We are going to introduce one of the most potent beverages to achieve this goal. This syrup will help you to eliminate fat and water from your body, and it's really effective if you combine it with cardio. Apart from that, when you use this beverage, the brain function accelerate, improve your memory, vision and hearing. This key ingredient is the fresh, rich in vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B1, B2, B6, iron, magnesium and phosphorus. The horseradish accelerate metabolism, reduce fatigue, and at the same time encourage the development of a good bacteria in the stomach. The preparation of the syrup is quite simple and is the effective, have an excellent result. The best part is they can be seen in a very short period of time. Syrup for memory, vision and the hearing improvement and burn fat. Ingredients: 125 grams of horseradish, 4 lemons, 3 spoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 small pieces of ginger, 2 cm wide. Preparation: mix the horseradish and ginger in a blender. Squeeze the lemon juice out and add it to the blender. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of honey and 2 of cinnamon. Lump it all together until you get the syrup. Put the syrup in a pitcher. How to use it? Take 1 spoonful twice a day before meal or before the cardio training. Do so for 3 weeks. Then make a break for a few days. You won't regret it. The results are going to be amazing. In addition, we'll give you a list of 15 tips which will help you to strengthen your memory and also improve your brain performance. You just need to consistent in order to get the best result. We hope you all like it. Rosemary, the first and the most potent and natural remedy for memory and concentration improvement. Its component improve the brain functions. Also, its fragrance can do wonders. Do all that you can to get a hold of this plant. You can even use it essential oil. Beetroot, full of natural nutrition. Beetroot improve the blood flow in the brain and the body. Hard-boiled egg. You can include the egg-based breakfast in your diet to sharpen your memory. Egg yolk contain choline, beneficial for the brain health. The fish, salmon, codfish are type of fish that are full of omega-3 fat. For the purpose of brain functioning, avocado contains to improve the blood flow to the brain. Cranberries. This juice fruit is full of antioxidants that help to protect the brain from the oxidative damage. Onion. Include raw onion in your diet to enhance your memory. Whole grains. The combination of fiber, complex carbohydrate and omega-3 make a whole grains a superfood for the brain development. Tomatoes. A very strong antioxidant, lycopene, defends brain cells from the damage provoked by free radicals and does wonder for the health of whole body. Green tea to sharpen your memory and improve brain capacity. Drink 2 to 3 cups of fresh green tea. This herb can raise concentration level and cognitive functions, given that it enhances the electric connectivity of the brain. Dark chocolate. Its contribution of powerful antioxidant and its content in caffeine help to sharpen the memory and also raise the concentration level. Nut improve the oxygen flow and the flow of the essential nutrients to the blood vessels and in the brain. In addition, their fatty acid omega-3 increase the brain power. Turmeric. The curcumin can sharpen your memory and prevent inflammation process. Apples, one of the best fruit for keeping yourself in a good shape. The one that will also help you to improve your memory. We hope you like this video and don't forget to share it for the well-being of all the people around us.